Hello everyone, today I will be playing around with more with Rainmeter, and I saw this really cool post on Reddit today from a while back where this guy basically had visualizers in the back of his background. So um, basically it looks something like, if I can move this, like this. Now, I mean, this background, it's pretty terrible, I'll be totally honest, but I still find it pretty cool. So, yeah, basically I'm going to teach you how to make the bars, the visualizers go behind the background, but also include the rest of the background. So, first thing we are going to start off with is what you need to do with a folder. Alright, so you need to start off with just making a folder called cut, or anything. It doesn't matter, but you need to go make a folder called cut, and then the second thing you need to do is go to new and go to text document. Alright, now you're gonna have to name the text document. What I want you to do is name the text document the same thing that you would name the folder, except instead of that name being txt, it will be .ini. Now I already have the file there, and I don't feel like copying it all down again. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna delete that. You'll end up with this. Alright, now what I want you to do is double click the file. If something comes up saying what program to open it on, use a notepad. That's what I usually use. And you need to copy basically this exact information down. Alright, so everything from caps to brackets, everything. This is code, can't be wrong or else it won't work. So I'll count down to 5 for you guys to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, there you go. So basically this is the setup for the image on the background for you to put another image on. You're basically putting an image onto another image. You're making a visualizer sandwich out of 2 images basically. So next what I want you to do is go on Google or find a background that you really like. You know, I particularly enjoyed let's see if I can find the original. This one. I particularly enjoyed this one. I'm a big Sword Art Online fan, and you know, I was like, oh, this is pretty cool. I want to try to create like a visualizer along this border. So that was the plan. So next what you need to do is take that photo and go into a photo editing software. I have Photoshop on me, and basically turn this picture into if I can find it, into that. What I did was I cut out the whole entire skyline, pretty much just saved the hill and some of the clouds in the background that are close to the ground, if those are clouds. So did that, ended up being a little bit smaller, which is actually a problem, but still I basically just did that. And you want these squares, so that means there's nothing there. It's not white. It's literally nothing. So next you want to go save that as a PNG and you want to do the correct image size and everything, you want to save it as a PNG and you want to save it as a 1.png. Save it as that. This message popped up for me. I'll just replace it. Doesn't matter. Same image. Alright. So after you're done with that, go back to the folder and you'll have 1.png right there. Right here. Next, what I want you to do is take that, drag it into here, and that's already in there, and basically just put it in there. It's as simple as that, right? So now you have the file that is actually going to allow you to put the image on your background. And oh, by the way, these numbers right here, this is your resolution. I have a shitty desktop monitor, so my resolution's right there. So you want to make sure that's your resolution so you get a better fit for your camera, for not your camera, your background. All right. So next, what I want you to do is go to your Rainmeter. Go basically find anything. I mean, that's already there, but that won't actually be there. So like say like, what's a basic theme? Illustro comes with Rainmeter. Alright. Go to open folder after you right click on it. Alright. You're gonna see that's Illustro right there, or whatever it's called. You can go to skins. Next you're gonna wanna take this file, go over here, copy and paste it. See, it's already there. So you're gonna want to either copy and paste it or cut and paste, one or the other, and then you're gonna want to go down here and hit refresh all. Then what will happen is, whatever you named it, I named it cut just because you're cutting the background apart. You're gonna go over here and you are going to press up. It will be load basically, and as soon as you load it, one sec, I'll show you. I'll show you over here. So, all right. So this is what it looks like before, or at least the background for me did. And then you press load. You will see a little bit difference, maybe a little bit like finer areas, because you have to like cut out certain areas and everything, right? So you'll have that, and so you know you're basically you have it done, or at least you know I did because it was already there. I'll show you. I can move it across across screens. So go over here, bring it over here, go over here, bring it over here. So there you go. There's basically you have most of it done. All right. Next, what you need to do is go download Desktop++. All right. Desktop++ has a lot of cool stuff with it. Not just the visualizer, but like you got clocks, network system, all the basics. But it's a really cool setup and everything. And then you want to go to not that one. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, I'll just go to this one. Top circle EQ. So you want to go to top circle EQ, and you want to press this, and you want to basically just press load in. And you won't see it because I don't have any sound going through my computer right now, but I'll show you real quick. I'll make sure this isn't so loud as last time. Okay. So we have most of it done. You have the EQ set up. You have pretty much everything done. So what you need to do is test it out. So let's just play some. You know what? Let's go with like music, 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 music. Da, 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 da. Is go to active skins, all the way down to here, go to unload, and you might have some other stuff going, but you press load, and you can't really see it. Um, but yeah, you just did it. And one sec, let me pretty much just did it. Let's see, unload that. Oh yeah, I forgot. That's there. See, if you want to, you can bring it down to here. Go over to here. Go back to cut. Load again, and it's there again. So that's basically how you make a visualizer in your background. That's basically it. Um, so yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty cool, and I'm just digging how everything is going with, like, everything is just fantastic about Rainmeter. Like having tools like these that are like I can just look at, having all my stuff right here. I can just click like Google Chrome pops up. Like it's just perfect. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you got as much enjoyment out of doing this and creating awesome backgrounds as I did. So yeah, bye guys.